how to get a free Roblox items. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how to get a free items on Roblox. So let's get started. For this, what you need to do is just go to the Google and type their Roblox, and by completing a few steps you guys will be directly on this platform. So this is a Roblox platform and there are thousands and thousands of games here. You guys can play any one of them and enjoy. So let's get to the point, how we can get a free items on Roblox. For that, what you need to do is just go to the avatar shop here, click on it. Okay, once you're done, you guys can see that there are a lot of items over here, but they are quite expensive. As we are going to get free items on Roblox, what you guys need to do is just go to the category and click on this featured items and tap here all featured items here. Now you can see they are all featured items and they are for free. You don't need to buy any Robux for them. So as we need the updated items, so for that click on relevance here and then tap on recently updated items. Now recently updated items of Roblox are in front of you guys, but they are not for free. They are of 60 Robux, 15 Robux, or 50 Robux, 55, and there are multiple items here. So to get them for free, just go to the filters here on left corner. You guys can see there's option of price. That might be, you can enter here minimum, maximum, or completely up to you, or you can get it for free. Click on it. Now all the Roblox free items are in front of you. You guys can get any one of them. All items are recently updated. So you can see this was so simple and easy to get your free items on Roblox. If you guys have any other question, ask me in comment section, and make sure to like and subscribe my video, and thanks for watching.